Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 1st, and this is my PM recap of the Euro US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, linked at the end of this video down here in the corner. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, to gain access to all the benefits listed below and more. So it's potentially going to be a really big next 24 hours for pretty much the whole market. The tariffs for um, I believe Canada, Mexico, and China, I think, are going to be going into effect this evening at midnight Eastern Standard Time. Not really exactly sure how that's going to affect the markets. Unfortunately, I live in Europe, so I will be sleeping at that time. But as of just the technical analysis side of it, it seems like it potentially could go up and grab these highs and then end up going back down. I still think this is an A. I still think this is a B. And I still think potentially could go down for a wave C. Whether or not the tariffs allow it to make a pattern like this, I guess we'll have to wait and see. But my Elliot wave patterns are definitely still ABC crescent to the downtrend on the higher time frames. So this is likely a big impulsive down for wave A, corrective up wave B, impulsive down wave C to the higher time frame, daily time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.